Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a banana strawberry smoothie. I have just 3 ingredients and it's gonna be quick and easy, so let's get started. In this bowl I have 1 large ripe banana and I have approximately 7 frozen strawberry. Alright, I have my ice here and I have some almond milk that I'm going to be using, and I have my blender. So let's jump right into it, guys. I will be adding my fruits to the blender. This is that. I'm gonna add my ice. Guys, I'm adding ice because I want it to be really cool. It's so hot. And right here I have my milk, so I'm gonna add it. So you can use juice or coconut water or something else. Alright. So I'm gonna put my blender, cover, and I'm going to blend. And there I have it, guys, all done. So let me glass this now. Yummy, guys. All done, guys, and there you have it, guys. So let me taste it for you. And nutritious. There's no sugar. It was the plain almond milk, so it's not sweet. Just the taste of the banana and the strawberry makes it yummy and delicious. So you can go ahead and prepare this for the summer. You will enjoy it and it is very refreshing. Alright, so a banana strawberry smoothie. Go ahead, guys, and try it. You will love it. Alright, remember to like this video, share it to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Alright, until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.